Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and in the last video I showed you how to do a saddle stitch with a thread and sew your inserts together. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use a regular stapler. You'll need one that opens up like this. This is a very old stapler. But you'll need one that opens up like that so that you can staple. Now I'm pretty sure this one is probably, no, it still wouldn't have worked. So I'm gonna have to do it the way that I've done it before. Okay, so these have been stitched with thread, and I'm gonna set this aside till we get ready to start actually setting this up. This is the weekly insert. This insert is a printable from my shop at scrapcraftastic.com. This design is a digital paper that I've printed on cardstock, front and back. The digital papers are from Antique Papery on Etsy, and I will leave a link to the shop in the description box below. I'll be using this template, which is a printable available in the shop at Scrapcraftastic as well. But first, let's trim down this cover and get it ready. So the printer that I'm using does not have the print to edge or borderless printing feature, so I have white edges on the papers. I'm going to leave the top and bottom, but I am cutting off the side. And I just cut, I think I want this to be the front, so I didn't really need to cut that side, but let's do this again, because this is going to be the front. Okay. So let's line this up. Now the other booklets, I left a little extra hangover, and I'll probably do the same for this one. It seems to make pretty good sense to do it that way. So I'm going to trim it right there. Line this up. Since this is thick, I'm going to use the bone folder to get a good crease. And hopefully this is going to fit properly. Make sure we got everything going the right direction. Yeah, we still have a little bit of overhang. Okay. So now I'm just going to take and open this up 90 degree, between 90 to 90 degree and 45 degree angle. I think 90 degrees, a little wider, actually works the best. I take my binder clips and clip it on either end. I'm trying to leave, maybe it's best to do it this way. I think it's going to be best to do it this way so that the stapler is not obstructed. So we're going to do it on the top and the bottom. So now you got the clips on, making sure everything is lined up well. Then you take your template and place it over the outside, and you're going to mark in the holes where you want to put your staples. I'm going to use the same holes that I use for stitching. Hopefully I'll be able to see this. So I can see them. All right. So now all I'm going to do is take my stapler over something that I don't mind a staple going through. So this is a handle off of a kneeling pad that I got from the Dollar Tree. It's like a foam material, and I use it frequently for things like this. So I'm going to take the stapler. You might want to test your stapler to see exactly where on the head of the stapler that the staple comes out, to make sure you get it in the right place. But I'm just going to kind of line this up with the marks that I made of where I want my staples to go, and try to keep it as straight as possible on that fold. and press down. Okay, making sure that I'm on the phone. Okay. Okay. So that's it for the stapler. Now, when you flip this over, you pull it out of the foam, you're going to have staples sticking up in the air. Can you see those? So you're going to need something sturdy. I use my bone folder. Use my bone folder to come in and just lay those down flat. You could probably use your scissors to lay down those staples. And that's it. That is how you can use a stapler to bind your own inserts. So now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and start rounding the corners. You don't have to do this. This is just something that I wanted to do, just to give them a more polished look. So since the covers are a little bit bigger, I'm doing the covers first. And let's see, I'm going to use the 1/4 inch rounder. And then just go in and round a few pages at a time. Let's see if I can do 4 at a time. Okay, so let's pop this one in. And this one in the back. So that is all 3 of the inserts, the stapled one and the 2 sewn ones, all in the Traveler's Notebook. I need to tighten this a little bit. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos, junk journals, and weekly vlogs. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!